So of course we don't want to earth the electric fence, and this one's actually not going at the moment. I'm saying the top one is, but the next one now is, and I'll certainly let you know if it is. So wiring it like that, we're just intersecting the electromagnetic field that surrounds the wire, and that's the part we need to clean. So all we're doing, and because we want to leave this electric but we want to clean it, we just go around it like this. Like that, and so we fully intersected that field, and we do the same again. And so that way we've got the whole process. Then we'll just get a bit of extra wire, and it really helps if you've got nice soft wire. And we're just going to put that rock in there and wire it in like that, and then we're just going to earth it back in like that. And I was a bit slack and didn't make it long enough, but it will work. And there you go, and I can muscle test that again, and it's really strong now. So I've got that. Now this is actually the west side of the farm, so it's actually protecting it from the energy in a backup way, and we've already been on the other side of the farm to try to protect the east side of the farm. Once these are in, they'll keep protecting.